When it comes to the construction industry, one of the most important roles is that of a building surveyor. In Noida, a city known for its rapid urbanization and development, the need for building surveyors is even more crucial. A building surveyor in Noida plays a vital role in ensuring that construction projects comply with all relevant regulations and standards. They are responsible for assessing the structural integrity of buildings, monitoring the construction process, and conducting regular inspections to identify any potential issues or risks. Building surveyors in Noida are highly skilled professionals who possess a deep understanding of construction techniques, materials, and safety standards. They work closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure that buildings are designed and constructed in accordance with all applicable laws and regulations. This includes ensuring that the building design meets all safety requirements, such as proper fire exits, adequate ventilation, and earthquake resistance. In addition to their technical expertise, building surveyors in Noida also need to have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. They often act as a liaison between different stakeholders involved in the construction project, including clients, contractors, and government authorities. They must be able to clearly communicate any issues or concerns that arise during the construction process and work towards finding appropriate solutions. One of the key responsibilities of a building surveyor in Noida is conducting regular inspections throughout the construction process. This ensures that the work is being carried out in compliance with approved plans and specifications. They assess the quality of materials used, check that the construction is progressing as per schedule, and identify any deviations or defects that may require corrective action. A building surveyor plays one of the most significant responsibilities in the construction sector. Building surveyors are even more necessary in Noida, a city renowned for its rapid urbanization and growth. A building surveyor in Noida is essential to ensure that building projects adhere to all applicable laws and requirements. They are in charge of evaluating the structural integrity of structures, keeping an eye on the building process, and doing routine inspections to spot any potential problems or threats. Building surveyors in Noida are highly qualified experts with in-depth knowledge of building practices, materials, and safety regulations. To make sure that structures are designed and built in conformity with all relevant laws and regulations, they collaborate closely with architects, engineers, and contractors. This entails making that the building design complies with all safety standards, including those for effective fire exits, sufficient ventilation, and seismic resilience. Building surveyors in Noida require not only technical proficiency but also exceptional interpersonal and communication abilities. They frequently serve as a point of contact for the various parties engaged in the building project, such as clients, contractors, and governmental agencies. When problems or concerns do occur during the construction process,